Hello students of 8th standard. We have started the chapter that is nothing but chapter number 2 from your textbook, that is health and diseases. I have told you about the health and diseases. Various diseases also up till now we have studied. We have studied about swine flu, we have studied about AIDS, we have studied about cancer, we have studied about, you can say, rabies. Various types of diseases we have studied. Various diseases are having its own signs and symptoms. That means whenever you are having your diseased body, it means that your body shows some signs and some symptoms. And according to these signs and symptoms, what we can do, we can treat the patient. This I have told you. Now, in yesterday's lecture, we have told you about the, you can say, the infectious disease and non-infectious disease. Infectious disease, in that we have studied about the rabies. So what is rabies? Rabies is nothing but a viral disease. It is caused due to the bite of the, you can say, monkeys, cats, rabbits, then again dogs. It is caused by such types of biting of these animals. This I have told you. Now what happens actually whenever they bite? They bite us. Whenever they bite us, they directly, you can say, have effect or have its effect onto the nervous system. That means this virus reaches the brain via the neurons or via the nerves. So it directly affects our nervous system. As it directly affects our nervous system, it also affects our brain. So whenever it is affecting our brain, what happens? We may lose the control on our brain and we may have excagration of the behavior. That means our behavior will be not nice. We may have fear in our, you can say, habit in your daily time or daily life. That means you will have a fear for water, you will have fear for, you can say, air also. Such types of things, that is nothing but a hydrophobia, which is seen in such types of peoples. Now what are the signs and symptoms in this, you can say, disease? Here actually what you see, first excagration in your behavior. You may have fever about 9 to 12 weeks. Then again you may have hydrophobia. To overcome all these diseases, to all these symptoms, what we have to do? We have to take a vaccination in between the, you can say, days of about 9 to 120 days. That is about the, you can say, period where you can take the vaccination. And as you take the vaccination, you may have curing of this disease. So this is most important. Then the non-infectious disease, whichever we have studied, is nothing but the, you can say, cancerous or cancer disease. Cancer disease is one of the, you can say, fatal disease. It is caused due to the, you can say, abnormal growth of the cells. Now the cells may be, or you can say, the growth of the cells may be in any of the organs like liver. Then again throat cancer may be there, stomach cancer may be there, uterus may be there, or you can say the connective tissue like blood, or you may see in the breast also. Various types of organs are affected due to the cancer. So what actually, how you can recognize that the person is not feeling well or he is suffering from cancer? First he may have a, you can say, weight loss. Then again he might have lumps in the breast, or sometimes he may have breathing problem if it is concerned with the lungs. Then again he may have again swallowing problems. That may be, you can say, throat cancer. Sometimes the gland cancers are there, thyroid, you can say, cancer is there, or pancreatic cancer is there. Various types of gland cancers are also there. So how we can examine this to come to that state? So what we have to do? We have to do the CT scanning, or you can say mammography or MRI. So from this we can come to know which part is affected by the cancerous said. Now to overcome this disease, what we have to do? We have to take the chemotherapy, or you can say radiation. Then again medicines are there, various medicines are there, various treatment is there. By taking all these things, we can overcome this disease. Now the next disease that we are going to study is nothing but the diabetes. So nowadays, whenever you see in our country, most of the peoples, they are suffering from diabetes. So why this is so? That we are going to see. So first we are going to see what is diabetes. Diabetes is nothing but a hormone, whichever we see that the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the hormone which is present in the pancreas. It controls all our blood level, or you can say blood glucose level. It controls, and what happens? It controls the level of the sugar glucose in the blood. If this insulin is secreted in a low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as a diabetes. So what happens here actually? So whenever you are seeing a particular disease, first why this disease happens, that you are going to that extent. So here diabetes happens due to the, you can say, hormone insulin. So what is that actually? This insulin, if it is secreted, if the secretion of the insulin is not in a proper condition, then you may suffer from an low, or you can say high sugar level problem. So whenever you are suffering from this condition, so what happens? Actually the insulin is not, you can say, prepared by the pancreas, or pancreas is not in a condition to prepare the insulin, which adjusts the blood level, blood glucose level in our body. This is one of the thing. Then the next comes here, symptoms which cannot be ignored. So there are something symptoms by which we can understand that we are suffering from the diabetes. Which are they here? Frequent urination at night. Whenever you are sleeping at a night, always you have to wake up to do the urine or to pass the urine. So that is one of the, you can say, reason. That is nothing but frequent urination at night. Then again, increased obesity. You may have increase in your weight, or you may have weight loss. These are the, you can say, two types, or you can say two symptoms. Again there are more symptoms. For example, you may feel thirsty. Then again you may have always demand of the food. Like that you may feel hungry, you may feel thirsty. Like that also it is there. Then reasons for the diabetes. What are the reasons here? Hereditary is one of the reasons. That means this diabetes disease is passed from, you can say, parents to their young ones. Suppose if the parents, from both the parents, if one is having the diabetic disease, and if two children are there, if the mother and father are having two children, then one children from them at least will have the, you can say, diabetes disease. And if both mother and father are having this disease, then if they are having two children, then both the children will also have the diabetes. That means 100% this disease is passed from, you can say, one generation to the another generation. Then obesity. If the persons are more in weight, or you can say they are overweight, then such people will also have diabetes. Lack of physical exercise. Daily we have to do the exercise for at least 15 minutes, and if we do not do that, then also it will cause a diabetes to the patient. Only 15 minutes is sufficient for having control over this disease. Physical diseases, in that you may do the yogasanas, You may do the pranayams, you may do the aerobic diseases and aerobic exercises. Then again various exercises are there. You can also do the jogging. All these types of all these types of exercise you can do to have control over the diabetes. And one of the most thing is that walking is one of the most important thing in such types of diseases. Mental stress. Mental stress means if you are having any mental stress, if you are having any problem in your life, then you have to take a solution, or you want to get a solution over that. Not to take a stress, or not to become anxiety, or you can say not to become fear, or not to get a fear of that. So that may also create you a diabetic patient. Preventive measures. What are preventive measures? There are some preventive measures. We have to get a proper diet. In proper diet, what we have to do? We have to get a proper diet means we have to get a balanced diet. In the balanced diet, you should not have the, you can say, carbohydrate or fats diet. You should have the fibrous, or you can say proteinous diet. In that you may have vegetables, then again buttermilk, chapatis, rice, one bowl, then again curry. This may you can have a, you can say, balanced diet. With this you can say proper diet, you have to also take the medicines. Medicines may be before, you can say before the meal or after the meal, however the doctor have advised you. In such a case you can take the medicine. Then again exercise. Exercise is most important in this case. Brisk walking of about half hour is most important. That may decrease your sugar level, and you may burn the calories, and after burning the calories your weight will be also in a proper condition, and as the weight decreases then the diabetic symptoms also vanishes. Then see here next one. Under the supervision of doctor helps to keep your diabetes under the control. Now here under the supervision of doctor means what? You have to you have to visit the hospital always, and or you can say once in a month. You have to test your blood before the meals and after the meals. Then there is a proper range of the, you can say, blood sugar that is checked into the laboratories, and if it is increased, then seeing that the doctor will give you the medicines. This is the thing. Then India has the largest number of diabetes patients. So whenever you see nowadays India has one of the largest number of diabetes patients in the world. You are not here in the country but also into the world. At present approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in our country. So diabetes is one of the, you can say, hereditary disease, but it has, you can say, effects on all of our organs, and simply it is nothing but a simple disease, but it has its effect very seriously on our body.